The small class sizes at Windsor means we're not just observers, we're active participants. Hi, my name is Crystal. I'm an MD4 student here at Windsor University. Simulation has been a real game changer for me. It's one thing to read about emergency situations, but it's another thing to actually do them. The hands-on experience gave me the confidence to act quickly and effectively in real clinical situations. It helps turn knowledge into instinct. The small class sizes at Windsor means we're not just observers, we're active participants. You get real one-on-one guidance, instant feedback, and the chance to repeat scenarios until you master them. It's personal, direct, and incredibly effective. Show up, ask questions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Simulation is a safe space to learn and to grow. The more you engage, the more confident and prepared you'll be for when it's time for clinical. I 100% would recommend Windsor to students seeking a hands-on, personalized medical education. Because if you want more than lectures, if you want personalized attention, real experience, and the chance to grow into a confident, capable future doctor, Windsor delivers that. It's not just a school, it's training for real life.